This next series that we're going to do over the next few weeks, we'll talk about the things that you need to do if you lose a partner, a spouse. It could be even a child, and I'm going to say an adult child in particular that may still be living at home. And the things that you need to do even before you find out whether or not there's a will. Hopefully, your estate, for everybody involved, has a will. Recently, my own husband had passed away without a will. And you're probably saying, I can't even believe it. You're a financial advisor and your husband didn't have a will? No, he did not. And no matter what, you can't force people to get it. And I preach this all the time with clients, but my own husband would not get a will. Now, we've been separated for more than 20 years. I had my will done, but he never did get his. Fine, it's done. Nothing we can do about it now. He passed away, and all of a sudden now, I'm thrown into having to wind up the estate, still as his legal wife, but the process is unbelievable. And the thing that you have to consider if you're in a situation like that with a partner that doesn't have a will, you may try to, I'll say, get the information to apply for the letters of administration from the province, or you may hire a lawyer. In my case, because I didn't have the time, I hired a lawyer. Well, by the time I hired the lawyer in March, because I wasn't getting anywhere on my own with the time that I had, the lawyers still, and we're talking that we're this late in spring, and it's still not resolved where I can wind up the estate. Well, this is costing more to the estate because I can't file the tax return, which means CRA will have more interest and penalties possibly to actually when I do file the taxes. There's a lot that's involved, but the first thing that I had to do was notify all the financial institutions that I knew about to make sure that nothing went out of the account. They got frozen right away. But there's more to it than just doing that. And of course, I had to provide the death certificate because nobody's going to listen without a death certificate. Other than closing and freezing that until somebody had the right to wind up the estate. That's all that the bank could do. Their hands were tied after that. You don't want to fall into that trap. But if you do, stay with me over the next few weeks, and I'm going to walk you through what's been happening in my life and hopefully preventing you from having this happen in your own situation. So tune in. Remember, you asked, we answered. We're going to get through all the questions that we can think about. There may be more. You can let us know if you'd like some more stuff answered. Anyway, tune in till the next one, and we'll let you know what's happening. I'm Linda Levesque of Levesque Wealth Planning of IA Private Wealth. Again, saying you asked, we answered, and give us a call. It's always free. Until next time.